Sit. The dog you'll hear whining throughout the video is another student here for training that's in the crate. Rocky, come. Yeah, place it. Good boy. Down. Good job. Looks good. Rocky, come. Yes. Sit. Good job. Good job. Let's go. Place. Down. That's my boy. Good job, bud. All right, so I'm getting ready to do some cleaning here, just sweeping up the floor. This is always a great opportunity to put your dog in place, or in this case, Rocky into place, and have them just relax and let the world go on around them. You're getting in some great training without even lifting a finger now. You want it to become nothing new for your dog, to just be in a relaxed state with things going on around them and them not having a part or reacting to these things that are going on. Starting with low-level distractions like this here, cleaning, working on up to guests coming in, and doing this out in new places, etc. Rocky has had tons of practice with relaxing inside. It was raining today, so we're working inside. However, he's actually up to doing this relaxing and letting the world go on outside. And now we're working on him doing it with my family, being out there playing and, living their life while he's just training and living his life. He doesn't know that they're, in on the whole thing, but we want him to be able to just let kids play, let excitement happen and not feel he needs to run over and be a part of it. That's going to be life everywhere you take them, and when they have guests come over, etc. So you don't want that to be new. Okay, next you're going to see, here in a moment, I'm going to go sit down on the couch. This is usually like an invitation for the dogs to come and jump in our lap and get on the couch as well, which is all fine and good when you're at home and it's just you. However, it'd be better to get that on an invitation base, which is what I'm doing here. I'm teaching him that if he's in place, he is to relax in place. It doesn't matter if the circus comes and sits down on the couch. It's not an invitation for him to also get on the couch. That way it's not a new procedure, or it's nothing new being asked when his family has maybe older guests come over or children and they get on the furniture in their home. They want to be able to have their dog relax without being all in everybody's face, scratching anybody, knocking anyone over, etc. So this is how we're practicing and introducing that here. Good job. Let's go. Good job, brother. No jumping. He doesn't jump for us, but I'm praising him. I'm excited. He's a good boy.